Alright, so I took off the strut support so we can kind of see where some of these vacuum lines go. They all run straight back here and go into the turbo area. Get a little light on, yep. Alright, so you can see a couple lines down here. And of course that won't focus. I don't know what this is, but there's something underneath it that one of the lines does go to. It is zip tied on there. Back up here, another zip tie. That tube goes back, down, and under. If you see anything out of place with this shitty video, let me know.